Thank you so much for inviting me at Dubai Hirings, and I really appreciate the way you are working, Mr. Kashif, because you are giving new ideas to the engineers or some other job seekers, those who are coming here in Dubai for hunting their jobs as per the qualification they have got. So this thing really helps them to find, because once we came here, it was there was very less platforms over there which we can get some information related how to hunt job over here. So this is something really appreciated. Moving ahead to introduce myself, I am an electrical engineer. I have completed my bachelor's in 2016 from Pakistan, one of the university which is University of Central Punjab. Once I finished my bachelor's from Pakistan, I was too much keen to do job, because that is the basic concept or the basic aim for the new engineers, or the one who has completed his bachelor degree, to do some job, because in Pakistan it's too much saturation over there. So I was unable to find a job as per my qualification. So I have started as an internee over there in one of the multinational company, which is a better opportunity for me to learn over there. I have completed almost 6 months of internship over there. Usually the internship should stay for not more than 3 months, but I worked there for 6 months because I have passion to learn as well. So that 6 months will leads me to give me idea as well. So it was a facility management company. So my field were decided already there, that I have to stay here in facility management company. So in engineering you have got so many options available. For example, if I am an electrical engineer, I can go through that construction company, I can go through this facility management company, some industry, some manufacturer companies over there. So there are a lot of design related work that you can do, and you can earn some money over there as well. So this was the field that I have chosen, which was facility management company. So I have decided to pursue my career in facility management company. And once I finished my internship over there, and I moved here, and that gives me an idea that in Pakistan the facility management companies are not giving you that much, so you have to do something different. So I have decided to move to Dubai to hunt a job, and before I have decided this one, I have tried to hunt a job over there in Pakistan itself, but unfortunately I was unable to find any job over there as per my qualification and standards that I have gone through. So that gives me an idea to think about it. So once I decided to move to Dubai, I was there to hunt some jobs. But unfortunately, while staying in Pakistan itself, you cannot find jobs as per the standard or the qualification that you have got. You have got some experience over there, but the thing is, it will not lead you to get a job in Dubai. So you have to find some ways, and you have to be sharp in that as well to find a job over here. So what benefit that I've got over there, I did not move here. Instead of moving here, I stayed over there, and there I came to know from one of my friends that there are some recruiter agencies over there, those who are recruiting some technical or some well qualified persons from Pakistan, and they are bringing them over here in Dubai. So I reached out to one of the agency over there, and this agency, if you want to know, we will mention the name of that agency in the comments as well. So we would appreciate if you are interested to know about that, you just put comment below so that we could give you the idea about that as well. So once I moved to that agency, they were not having direct engineer post for me. So they have asked me that we have a very small post where you can go and you can find job over there. Instead of paying something from your pocket and coming here to find a job, you can get it a small job from here, and you will move to Dubai, and then you will find job over there as per the requirement that you have got. It was just one small technical job that I have found over there, which was not giving me that much, but yeah, it was giving me a platform. Instead of paying something from my pocket, and instead of bringing or buying a visa from my pocket, or the ticket itself, they have given me everything from their side. The tickets from their side and the visa, everything was given by me from that company. So I came here on that visa, and I started working here as a technical assistant here. So this was the journey from where I have started my career here in Dubai. So once I moved in here, I started one small job as a technical assistant here, and then I tried to find out the better opportunities here, but unfortunately I was unable to do so, because it required some time, and you have to be cool, calm and patient as well. So instead of just rushing towards my educational standards to find some job according to that, I just decided to stay for some time, and I put myself in patience so that I could find a better opportunity at the right time. So now I'm working here as a duty engineer in one of the airport here. Yes, as I mentioned before, I am working in an airport. So my main responsibility is to take care of the facilities over there. So in taking care of the facilities, you have got so many assets related to electrical. That is the main task for you to take care of them. This is what I'm doing. So to take care of that, how to do it, we have some planned maintenance activities which we are conducting on daily basis, on weekly basis, on monthly basis, quarterly, and 6 months basis and yearly basis as well, depending upon the asset itself. So what are the assets over there? The main assets for which we are taking care of that facility itself. There are so many DBs over there, so many control panels over there. There are some chillers over there. There are SMDBs. There are LV switchgear. There are main MDBs over there, or there are 11 kV switchgears over there, RMUs over there, capacitor banks. There are a lot of assets over there which we are taking care. So these assets are the main, heart to run an electricity in the building itself. So if they are running good, that means the facility itself is running good. So for example, if there is any shortage of power over there and you are not available to fix it out, to resolve the issue, that means facility itself will get down. So these facilities should be maintained by some facility management company. That is the main task for the owners of that facility, that they are handing over to some other facility management company. So my advice to the new engineers, those who are freshers and they are really interested to move into Dubai, but still they are unable to find a better opportunity. The basic reason or the basic drawback behind that is because these people are not technically very sound. Okay, they are technically sound in writing only, or they have some conceptual knowledge with them. They have some the knowledge of the books what they have studied. But the thing is, in moving ahead for this facility management company, you have to be very strong technically as well. You are strong in theory, the theory that you have studied over there, but you are not strong physically. What the assets are built in any of the industry, that means you will not be able to find a better opportunity here. So instead of just sitting over there and thinking how to find a job, you have to find some platform where you will learn some technical skills. And this is the really important thing that I would suggest to the viewers, those who are listening our video. Okay, for new engineers, those who have got some experience in Pakistan or some other their home country, they have finished, for example, their bachelor's in 2017 or 18, for example, and they moved in here in 2019, but they are mentioning that they have got experience for 3 years or 5 years in their home country. But the thing is, once you reach out to the interview, but you are not able to answer the question that they've been asking you, that means you lost it already. So instead of doing so instead of making things which you are not, and you just trying to show that which you are not, it will lead you not to get a job at all. Okay, so the main question is, let's say if you have 1 year experience in your home country and you are an electrical engineer as well, and you are technically sound as well, so I would recommend you not to mention more than 1 year, because for example, if you have completed your bachelor's in 2022 and you moved in here in 2023, that makes a sense. Like, you have 1 year experience in your home country and you moved in here as a visitor. For example, you came here as a job seeker, and you just made your CV very strong, putting the experience that you have got, that 1 year experience of your home country, then it is a possibility that you can find some better opportunity here as well. But the thing is, if you are mentioning more than 1 year, you will not expect that you will be interviewed as well. So this is the main drawback, that people are staying here trying to find some job, but they were unable to find a job. For the freshers, I would recommend whatever the projects that you have completed in your home country, in your university, I beg your pardon. So this were supposed to be mentioned on that CV, because if you are a fresher, so these projects will give an idea to the companies that this guy has a potential to work on it. But the thing is, that project will definitely, you should have some knowledge of that project as well. For example, if you have mentioned some project in your CV which you already completed in your bachelor's, but you don't have experience, very well experience on that project, and you have already mentioned that. For example, if this interviewer or that recruiter company, or they will ask you to come for the interview, and they are asking certain questions for you to related to your project, but you are unable to answer, that means you already lost it. So instead of doing it, you have to be strong in that project as well if you are mentioning in that CV. The thing is, in your CV you have to be short and crispy. For example, you have experience in your home country and certain assets you worked on there, on some certain assets. So whatever you know about the asset, you have to mention that in your CV. If you don't mention it at all, because these people will came to know exactly once you reach to the room in front of them. They will they will come to know that this person, how much potential he has got. So they will ask question accordingly. But the thing is, these people, they have certain questions which are, you may call it certain questions which are the basic questions. They will try to ask the people, those who are fresher. But if you are unable to answer these basic questions as well, do not expect that you will find a job here. As far as the salaries are concerned, I would recommend two things for the freshers and for the experienced as well. For freshers, facility management company itself, not more than, for fresher I'm talking about, not more than 4,000. Okay, so this 4,000 will includes the accommodation from the company and the transportation of the company as well. Some companies, they are giving some food allowances there as well. So altogether it will goes to 6,000 itself. So instead of expecting or asking this money from the company, they will give you indirectly, because they are giving you accommodation, they are giving you transportation. So if you are getting these two things, that means you are already reaching, or you are already hitting almost 6,000 and or maybe above 6,000. So the basic salary would not be more than 4,000 at all. For freshers, for example, you have started your job here around 4,000. So in future, you can expect after 3 or 4 years, if you are staying in the same company, you cannot reach more than 10,000 maximum. And this is what I'm telling you honestly, very much. This is already too much. I have already mentioned that 10,000 is it's very rare chances that staying in one company we can reach 10,000 even after 4 years. But for example, if you just trying to change your companies and you're just trying to find out the other option in other facilities companies or other companies, then maybe you will reach more than or around 15,000 after 4 years. For example, you have completed your 4-year experience here, and now you are able to answer of the questions that you are technically very sound here, and you know the company, you know the market as well. This is what I'm talking about after 4 years. But now you are fresh. But after 4 years, you may get a chance to open your own company as well, because these small facility management companies are everywhere here. Because over here in Dubai itself, or in UAE, owners are really much concerned about their facilities. Whatever the assets they do have in their facility, they are always paying whatever you would expect to maintain their assets. So this is really important that if you have got some experience in facility management company, you can move ahead. After 4 or 5 years, you may open your small company, and you could hire some let's say 5-10 technicians with you, those who can run your company. And you can run your company as well. Whatever we have mentioned was related to electrical engineer, but our viewers, there are maybe some civil engineers are there, those who are interested to move in here. So for civil engineers, there are more opportunities here, because in construction especially, they have got so many options. So they can have some experience in their home country, and they know about the construction field, and they can find a better opportunity as well. Instead of the electrical engineer, they can get better opportunity. Last but not least, if you have any questions or any queries related to your field, for example, you are electrical engineer, you are a mechanical engineer, you are civil engineer, you belong to some IT field, or you belong to some industrial engineering field, just put your comments below this video, and we will pleased to answer all of your questions, and we will try to guide you. We will bring some other engineers as well to help you out to find a better opportunity here in Dubai. Thank you.